Hey everybody, Heine here. More packs to open. This is, I believe, day 3. So it would be Sunday the 17th. Here we got the first pack. Let's go. I noticed on the past video how loud that was. So I am going to pull it out slightly far away. All right, so what do we have here? Ibrahim Diaz from Morocco. We've got Joshua Kimmich from Germany. Victor Gyökeres from Sweden. Christian Pulisic from the United States. We have, alright, I guess this one wanted to show itself. Sindre Vallegeli from Norway. And David Fratesi from Italy. Lionel Messi, we had this one yesterday. Yeah, I thought it was a great card. It really isn't that great of a card, but you know, I guess some of them are slightly different than others, and then they bring in a little more money. Here we have in the Magnificent series, we have Bernardo Silva, and where is he from? Portugal. Okay, and number 3 card. Here we have the Craftsman and Joshua Kimmich. Wait, that was the first card we pulled, wasn't it? Or second? This guy. Yeah, Kimmich. Here we have from United States, Damian Downs. From the Republic of Ireland, we have Troy Parrott. And from Nigeria, Ademola Lookman. And from France, Warren Emery. Butchered that, I'm sure. Joseph Rosales, we've had him before. And Giuliano Simone from Argentina. Yeah, so that is that for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye now.